Hello everyone. Let's recapitulate the chapter Understanding our Criminal Justice System. Criminal justice is the system or practice and institution of government directed at upholding social control and deterring and mitigating crime and sanctioning those who violate laws with criminal penalties and rehabilitation efforts. Now, there are the four main pillars or play a key role in our criminal justice system. They are police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and judge. There are four people who play a key role in criminal justice system. These are police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and judge. What is the role of police in investigating a crime? The role of police begins with the lodging of an FIR in police station. First information report. After registration of FIR, the police start investigation. On the basis of the investigation, they form an opinion. If the police think that the evidence points to the guilty of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. Now the question is, what is charge sheet? So I will tell you about charge sheet. Charge sheet is a formal document of accusation prepared by the police. It is a final report which describes a crime that has been committed. Once it is submitted in the court by the police, prosecution proceeds against the accused. This is the charge sheet which is filed by the police. If the then the police investigation always have to be conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human rights. The police are not allowed to torture or bear or shoot anyone during investigation. Next is public prosecutor. Public prosecutor in the court, the public prosecutor represents the interest of the state. His role begins when once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. The public prosecutor is expected to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witnesses, and evidence before the court. The next one is defense lawyer. The defense lawyer acts on behalf of the accused person. He also produces witnesses and evidence before the court in favor of his client to save his client. Next is the role of judge. The judge there hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. Afterwards, he decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent. It is the accused is guilty, then the judge pronounces the sentence. The next, and which is the very important, is what is fair trial, and it is necessary fair trial in the constitution, essential for element in this criminal justice system. So, what is fair trial? A person cannot be said to be a guilty until his and her crime is provided beyond the reasonable doubt. He or she is termed as accused and not a criminal. A fair trial means the accused has access to the service of a lawyer and his and her case conducted in the court property, properly, and after detailed inquiry, The verdict is passed by the judge. There are many mechanisms to ensure a fair trial. The accused is given a copy of the charge sheet and all other evidence that prosecution presents against him and her. Fair trial is a transparent process. The accused can take help of a lawyer to defend. The lawyer of the accused has the right to cross-examine all the prosecution witnesses. Relatives and friends of the accused are also allowed to attend the court hearing. Now, the Article 21 is play a vital role in this. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which guarantee the right to life, states that is person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and legal procedure. Fair trial ensures that Article 21 is upheld. As per convention, the judge has to assume the innocence uh, of the accused. It depends on the basis of evidence before the court. And the fair trial is necessary in some other case, like sometimes a false case can be filed against the person and he or she becomes an accused due to his or her social economic status. So in this case, in this situation, the fair trial is very important uh, procedure in the criminal justice system. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.